Hey guys, today we're at Clayton Homes in Anniston, Alabama, and I am looking at what I think may be the nicest inside of any home we've toured so far of 2023. Check this out. It's even got lights on the outside all the way around the home. Trying to pan up so you can see that. Don't know if you can see that during the daylight. Let's go in and take a look. Immediately you're met by this beautiful front door. Looks like a traditional home door. It's inset a little bit so you can get in out of the rain. And when you come in, you're immediately met by a very spacious opening. Beautiful fireplace and living room. Let's come on in and take a look. The first thing I noticed when I came in this home was all the windows, and I really like that. Gives you a lot of natural light, makes it look even bigger than it is, even though it's a huge home. This thing's over 1,700 square feet. We're going to go in first and start looking at this living room and then go to the kitchen, which the living room opens into the kitchen, as you can see, which I also like, especially if you have a big get-together. Nobody feels like they're cut off in separate rooms. The huge hood over the range there, that's a nice feature. Something you'd see in a lot of high-end homes. Beautiful cabinets with a lot of storage, and I mean a lot of storage. Just pan back across these. And again, these cabinets aren't what you would expect to see in a modular home. I mean, they look really nice and they're deep. And then your island here, you've got more storage. We're just going to open a couple of those really quick and just see. Yeah, those are fairly deep. You got your drawers. And then your lighting hanging over the bar. I apologize for the fire alarm or the smoke alarm. I think it needs a new battery. Side-by-side refrigerator. And you guys know we like our big windows over the sinks. The way it gives you something to look out. And it's got our favorite pull down industrial style sink there. And it's deep as well. Or faucet, I should say. Continue with more cabinets this way. And then on this side of the island, you don't have storage, but you've got places so that your stools could slide under there and not be in the way. I like that too. They've got this set nicely. I really like their choice of tables in here. And you've got windows all the way around for seating. Now, you've got a laundry room right here. We're going to go ahead and just open that up and then we'll check out the rest of the house. So you've got a big laundry here. Place for immediately to your right, place for your washer and your dryer. And then panning back over, you've got your heating and air return right there. We'll open it up. It's, standard heating and air right there. And then one thing that we get asked all the time is a place for a small freezer. And this is not a full-size freezer space, but it is big enough for a good-sized chest freezer or a second refrigerator should you choose something like that right there. And then you've got this nice side door, so it can act and double as a mud room if you want to come in if you're dirty, been working in the garden, whatnot. Take your clothes off right here, throw them in the washer. So, and we're going to come back out. Let's go and check out the guest rooms. And I didn't give you guys a really good look at this fireplace, but it's really big. I like that. We're going to come right back, and down the hall here we have our guest bathroom. We're just going to pan in, and we've got the tub. And this is, again, bigger than your standard tubs that you see in a lot of modular mobile homes. It's more of a, I want to call it a garden tub. It's that style, but it's not as big as some garden tubs you'd see. Again, it is the guest room, but you have your shower as well. And you have your canned lighting in the ceiling. And a lot of people ask, and the heating and air is in the ceiling in this home as well. So I really like that. And again, I'll give you another look at your vanity there. So we're going to come back out, and then immediately back to the right here is, I guess, guest room number 1. It's a standard room. It does have drywall like the rest of the house. And again, heating and air is in the ceiling here. And it has one closet. We're going to open it up. There's drywall in the closet as well. Now it has the wire shelving. Again, you can upgrade that yourself. We've said it many times on the channel. And by the way, speaking of the channel, if you're not already subscribed, be sure to do so. That way you get notified every time we release a new video. And hit that like button, it helps us out. All right, we're going to walk across into the other guest room. And I think this is the offending fire or smoke alarm that keeps beeping. So we're just going to real quick into here. And we're going to walk into its closet. It's got a little bit bigger closet, a little more of a walk-in closet here. It's a little bit smaller. It looks like a bedroom, but it's got a little bit bigger closet. So, and then they do have the faux hardwood floor there. So we'll close this up, and we're going to go back. And now let's take a look at the master bedroom and bath. I haven't been in it yet because I wanted to save my surprise so that you guys could hear my reaction to it as well. We're going to close that door so that you don't hear the smoke alarm. So I wanted to point out real quick too before we go in there. It's got the Ecobee, and that's Wi-Fi app friendly whether you have Android or iPhone. So you can control your heating and air right there. And again, canned lighting coming through right here. And I don't know if I mentioned that when we first came in or not, but we're walking into the master bedroom now. And again, this is just a absolutely beautiful home. You've got 2 separate windows here. You've got 2 heating or air vents on either side of the ceiling fan. And we're going to walk into the walk-in closet first. Now they are still setting up, so there's a few things in the floor. But this has the upgraded shelving that I know you guys like. Also, if you notice, it has the window up there, so you get some natural lighting. Helps us guys pick out if we're wearing black or navy, you know, because you know we need the help, ladies. So, and you do have canned lighting in the ceiling there. You've got 2 canned lights here. So also give you good light. And now we're going to turn and we're going to walk back, and you're going to see where you've got going into the bath and then the toilet area. We're going to take a look at that. And you've got the barnwood doors there that slide to cover up. So we're just going to walk in, and immediately to the right you're met by the double bath, or the double sink, sorry. And a huge mirror. Also canned lighting in here as well. And then as you pan back to the left, you're going to have the shower. And now I really like these type of showers. This is my favorite actually. Where it has the glass, and of course the glass isn't in here yet, but it would have glass here. And then you just step in. I like that better than the closed or enclosed ones. I don't know why, just something about it. So, and then ladies or gentlemen, you do have the seat there. So if you wanted to sit down and take care of any business you need to take care of seated, you can do that. And then it's got separate shower heads there as well. One up high, that rain head shower that Brandon likes. And then you've got the one there. And we're going to pan back over to the toilet area. It's in this little nook right beside the shower. Got a nice window above. And again, you've got another barn door as you pan back to the right a little bit. And we're going to go into this tub, and they have another little area. And ladies, look, I know you guys are going to love this. You are going to love this. So you've got your little area here. You could make a little powder room, I guess, to the side. You've got another mirror. And you've got this huge, or long, I should say, window to let natural light in. And then we're going to pan down and see this massive garden tub, and it is big. I think even Brandon, with all 7 feet tall of his self, he could probably fit in there too. Check that out right there. So let's go out and take a look and see how much this home's going to cost. See if we can get some more information for you on that. We're going to walk back through. We're going to go into the kitchen area and have the big reveal. And again, the price on this is at the time of filming. It is $193,500 as the package shown here today. It is 3 bedroom, 2 bath, 1,740 square foot. And then the package includes delivery set, trim out, heat pump, vinyl siding, skirting, and 2 sets of temporary steps. And again, you can see all that right there, as well as the other features here. So contact these guys at Clayton Homes in Anniston, Alabama if you'd like to come out and visit this home. Again, this price is at the time of filming. It is subject to change. Could go up, could go down. I don't know, but with the way prices of homes are, they usually go up, especially in the market we're in today. So don't waste time. Be sure to give them a call. We don't work for Clayton Homes or any of these that we see and tour on this channel. We are just people that love to tour homes. If you'd like to see our next home that we're going to right over there, be sure to click follow and check us out. We will have another home tour right now. We're headed over there. See you there in a few minutes.